How to add like button on Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device and then tap on your profile. Next, scroll down and here you can see the option of help and support, so tap on it. Here tap on report a problem, and as you tap on report a problem, you just need to go and shake your phone and then report a problem over here. As you do that, it will start creating a report for you. So all you have to do is just tap on the option of pages over here and then tap on the describe the issue box and describe the issue that you do not have your like button on Facebook page. So you just want to request the Facebook team to add the like button on your Facebook page. So you can just upload it and submit it, and then within 24 hours the Facebook team will contact you and you'll have your like button on your Facebook page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.